Hi friends, this is Elaine Marie. Thank you so much for coming back to step number 2. Well, look what I did. With those long stems, I put flowers up there. And I have 2 pumpkins, and I'm going to make a big one right here in the middle. Okay, friends, I hope everybody is doing well, and let's get going. Alright, I'm going to take some of my orange. We still have some of that dark brown, white, and some yellow. Okay, right about here, because I want to make it high. Pumpkins come in all different sizes and all different shapes. So let's start right about up here. I want to make a big one. There we go. We're going to bring it up and around. I think that'll be the shape that I'm going to want to do. If you notice, I didn't make my pumpkins a very bright orange. Okay, and we're going to fill that in. And see some of the lines that I have right there with the paint? I like that. Gives it a little bit of a texture. Let's bring that down right about here. Now I'm going to take a little brown. I'm going to mix a little brown with my orange, okay? Alright, I'm going to fill that in right there like that. I hope everyone is doing great today. And there's one thing about the pumpkin I want to show you. When you're coming in with your pumpkin, always do the shape. Bring your paint around that way, and then bring it going around this way. I'm going to dab the brush off. We're going to come in. Now some of this you might want to let dry, and then keep going over it. But again, I like to have the lines. See how I'm going around? That's the shape of the pumpkin. And I want to have the excess paint on that. It gives it a little texture. I want to wipe off. And I'm using an angular brush. Right about here, I'm going to come up just like that. And then we're going to just come in and pull that down just a little bit. Now we're going to let that dry. While it's drying, I'm going to clean out my brush. I thought I would do a flower right up on top. Let me see what I want to do first. Let me come in with a little, okay, get the camera right. There you go. Okay, that's going to be my roundness right about there. Okay, I'm going to wipe off my brush. Okay, and this is fall season, right? And then we're going to come in. Okay, we're going to come in and we're going to get some of that paint on there. Okay. I wanted to do there you go. I wanted to do a bigger flower right in the middle, but you don't have to. Remember, your painting is yours. Do what you may with it. Okay. The angular brush, I like to get the tip on that first. And then come around. And these are the colors that I'm using for my flowers. You can use any colors that you want. And let me just come in with a little bit of round. There you go. Oh, I like that. It's really going to make it pop. Oh, it's nice and bright. Okay, friends. All right. Let's come back here. Let's get some good texture going on with my pumpkin. Oh, I love it already. Again, a little brown. Let's mix a little brown. I don't want a very bright pumpkin. So if you notice, I'm coming around. That's the shape that I'm doing it. Okay? And I'm leaving some paint behind. It gives it that texture. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I like that already. Go around like that. And dab a little bit of the brown. Okay. Now for the bottom, okay, I'm going to do a little bit of a darker brown right about here on the bottom. Let me check the camera. Okay. And then we're going to just run that lightly through. I'm going to give that a chance to dry a little bit. But for me, I did not want the very, very bright orange. I wanted something a little bit more subtle. Now here, if you notice, I did dab a little white. And again, go with the curvature, there you go, of your pumpkin. Your pumpkin's got that shape. That's the shape you're going to want to come around. Okay, there you go. Smooth that out. And friends, you can make your pumpkins any different size that you want, any shape. And let me see, on the bottom here, let's just come in just a little bit with a shadow. And let's come up like this, just a little bit. There you go. Right, with a little brown. There you go. Get that a little shadow, friends. Well, there's my pumpkins. There's my flower. There you go. You might want to do that. Friends, I had a wonderful time. I hope you had a wonderful time too. We got pumpkins and we got flowers on the back of the fence. Thank you for tuning in, friends. And please have a wonderful day and join me in the next video. Bye-bye.